Hello and welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. Corbels and brackets are used in a variety of ways. They are usually incorporated as support, but can even be used solely for aesthetic purposes. Among our large selection of corbels, we have a range of sizes to choose from. Let's take a look at some examples. For small shelves and countertops, a size similar to the 6-inch tall Carpi Classic Corbel can offer support and style to your space. The bigger your project gets, the more you need to take into consideration the size of the bracket you would like to use to ensure stability. It is often recommended to use a corbel that has a depth equal to 2/3 of the depth of the overhang it is supporting. Our next bracket size example is the New York Contemporary bracket. This piece has a 12-inch height and 8-inch depth. We also have much larger options, such as the Empire Contemporary Corbel, which is 22 inches tall and 10 inches deep. If you are thinking of using a corbel to support an island or vanity, we offer island height corbels, which can be seen in the video linked above. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.